life laid on the altar. Everything, everything. Jesus, receive my worship. Every breath, every tear. Let my praise rise to heaven. Jesus, receive my worship. From the depths of who I am to the throne where mercy stands, I pour my heart out completely. Jesus, 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 receive my worship. Every breath, every tear. Let my praise rise to heaven. Jesus, receive my worship. Jesus, receive my worship. Every breath, every tear. Let my praise rise to heaven. Jesus, receive my worship. Jesus, receive my worship. Every breath, every tear. Let my praise rise to heaven. Jesus, receive my worship. Jesus, receive my worship. They said I wouldn't make it. They all walked away, left me with the pieces and the shame. But in the silence, I heard you call my name. Jesus, you stay. Jesus, you stay. When the night was long, held my heart when I felt so alone. Even when my faith was barely alive, Jesus, you stayed by my side. I doubted your promises, question your plan, but you never let go of my hand. Through every tear and every delay, Jesus, you stay. Jesus, you stay. When the night was long, held my heart when I felt so alone. Even when my faith your presence. In your presence I'm whole again. Every scar is healed within. I don't have to pretend anymore. In your presence I'm I'm whole. In your presence I'm whole again. Every scar is healed within. I don't have to pretend anymore. In your presence I'm whole. Cried so many nights, didn't think I'd survive. The pain was loud, faith barely alive. But God was working while I wept. Every tear was kept. My tears turn into testimony. My pain became my praise. What tried to break me lifted his name. My tears turn into testimony. My tears. Now I see your hand was there, even when I thought you weren't. You rewrote my story faithfully. You healed me completely. My tears turn into testimony. testimony. My pain became my praise. What tried to break me lifted his name. My tears turn into testimony. My tears.
Yeah. I was kneeling in the silence, tears falling to the floor. Every prayer felt heavy, like I couldn't pray no more. But I whispered your name, though my faith felt small. And somehow you heard me through it all. When heaven hears my cry, chains begin to break, mountains start to move, hope begins to wake. I may not see it now, but I know you're near. Everything changes when heaven hears my cry. I was tired of pretending I was strong enough, carrying these burdens, feeling so crushed. But you met me right there in my weakest place, and you wrapped me up in grace. When heaven hears my cry, chains begin to break, mountains start to move, hope begins to wake. I may not see it now, but I know you're near. Everything changes when heaven hears my cry. When heaven hears my cry, mercy fills the room. Darkness has to flee, fear has no more rule. I may not see it now, but I know you're near. Everything changes when heaven hears my cry. My safe place. My faith was shaking, hope falling down, but I ran to you, I found your face. Jesus, my safe place. Jesus, my safe place, my hiding spot. When the world is shaking and I'm not strong, I rest in you. I'm
safe place. My safe place, my hiding spot. When the world is shaking and I'm not strong, I rest in you, I'm held by grace. Jesus, my safe place. Jesus, my safe place, my hiding spot. When the world is shaking and I'm not strong, I rest in you, I'm held by grace. Jesus, my safe place.
Every dry place, every hidden fear, I lay it down, I want you here. Set my soul completely free.
Oh yeah, Jesus. My smile on the outside,
inside I'm tired. My joy feels distant, my hope feels quiet. Jesus, I need you now. Jesus, restore my joy. Bring my heart back to life. Replace these tears with praise. Oh, Jesus, restore my joy. Bring my heart back to life. Replace these tears with praise. Jesus, restore my joy. Remind me why I first believed. Show me again what you see in me. I open my heart to you. Yeah, Jesus, restore my joy. Bring my heart back to life. Replace these tears with praise. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Jesus, restore my joy. Bring my heart back to life. Replace these tears with praise. Jesus, restore my joy. Oh, Jesus, restore my joy. Bring my heart back to life. Replace these tears with praise. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jesus, restore my joy. Bring my heart back to life. Replace these tears with praise. Jesus, restore my joy. Jesus, I belong to you. I search for love in empty places. Gave my heart to broken things. Every promise left me wounded. Every road led back to pain. But then I heard you softly calling. Through the noise, through all the lies, you spoke purpose to my chaos and gave my restless soul new life. Jesus, I belong to you. asked me for my heart. You took the pieces of my story and you made a brand new start. Now my future has a promise. My identity is sure. I am yours forevermore. Jesus, I belong to you. Jesus, I belong to you. Every breath, every truth. I was bought by mercy, claimed by grace. Jesus, I belong to you. Jesus, I belong to you. Jesus, lover of my soul. As I don't know where to go, I run into your arms, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, lover of my soul. You love me deeper than I know. You never let me go. Jesus, lover of my soul. You saw me at my lowest point, and still you chose me anyway. Your love rewrote my story, Jesus. Whoa, Jesus, lover of my soul. You love me deeper than I know. You never let me go. Jesus, lover of my soul. Lover of my soul. You love me deeper than I know. You never let me go. Jesus, lover of my soul. Jesus, lover of my soul. Jesus, lover of my soul. Hey, hey. I carry guilt I couldn't erase. Now I'm forgiven, I am free at the cross. I found mercy at the cross, grace that paid my every cost. Jesus, you gave your life for me. trusted once and I was hurt. Promises broken, faith disturbed. But you're not like man, you never fail. So I will trust you again. I'll trust you again with all my heart, even if I don't understand the start. You're faithful till the end. God, I'll trust you again. I give you the pieces of my doubt. I choose belief over fear right now. You've been too good to let me go, so I know I'll trust you again with all my heart, even if I don't understand the start. You're faithful till the end. God, I'll trust you again. I'll trust you again with all my heart, even if I don't understand the start. You're faithful till the end. God, I'll trust you again. Yeah. Oh, I felt forgotten, lost in shame, like I was just another face. But you called me out of the crowd. Jesus, you know my name. Jesus, you know my name. You see my tears, you feel my pain. I am not lost, I am claimed. Jesus, you know my name. You found me when I was weak, I surrender every tear, every fear I've held for years. I lay my burdens at your feet. I surrender everything. I've been holding all this pain inside, smiling through the hurt, trying to survive. Every prayer felt heavy on my chest. I didn't know how to find rest. I surrender every tear, every fear I've held for years. I lay my burdens at your feet. I surrender everything. You see the battles no one knows, the silent cries, the hidden wounds. So I release what I can't control and trust you with my soul. I surrender every tear, every fear I've held for years. I lay my burdens at your feet. I surrender everything. I surrender every tear, every fear I've held for years. I lay my burdens at your feet. I surrender everything. Distractions as my king, and lost sight of everything. Jesus, be the center of my heart, my life, my song. Let everything I do begin with you. Jesus, be the center. Take the throne I tried to fill, break every idol, bend my will. Oh, I want nothing more than you. never let me go. I felt like I was sinking fast, drowning in my past, but you reached down and saved my soul. You never let me go, even when I lost my way. Your love held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go. Through every fall and every tear, you stayed right here, faithful like you promised. So you never let me go, even when I lost my way. Your love held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go. Your love held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go. Your love held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go. You never let me go. You never let me go, even when I lost my way. Your love held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go. Your love held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go. Your love held me close. You never let me go. 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 I was buried in regret, haunted by the things I said. Hope felt distant, joy felt gone. I didn't know how to go on. You lifted me out of the darkness, placed my feet on solid ground. You turned my mourning into dancing. You turned my morning into dancing, lifted me out. You lifted me out of the darkness, placed my feet on solid ground. You turned my morning into dancing, lifted me Walk with me through every valley, every sea. Hold my hand, guide my feet. Jesus, walk with me. Jesus, walk with me through every valley. I've fallen short, made mistakes I can't ignore, but mercy met me where I was and reminded me of love. Your love won't let me fail. It lifts me when I fall. Your grace is strong enough. Your love won't let me fail. You're still shaping who I'll be, patiently believing in me. I stand secure in what you say. Your love won't walk away. Your love won't let me fail. It lifts me when I fall. Your grace is strong enough. Your love won't let me fail. Your love won't let me fail. It lifts me when I fall. Your grace is strong enough. Your love won't let me fail. Your love won't let me fail. Your love won't let me fail. It lifts me when I fall. It lifts me when I fall. Don't know what the future holds, but I know the one who holds it all. So I lay my plans aside and trust your voice to guide my life. I give you my yes, with no conditions, no regrets. Where you lead, I will go. I give you my yes. Oh, even when the cost feels high, oh, even when I don't know why, oh, I choose obedience. Oh, I give you my yes. I give you my yes, with no conditions, no regrets. Where you lead, I will go. I give you my yes. I give you my yes, with no conditions, no regrets. Where you lead, I will go. I give you my yes. I give you my yes, with no conditions, no regrets. Where you lead, I will go. I give you my yes. My heart sings hallelujah when I think about your goodness and the mercy you've shown me. I can't stay silent, I can't hold back this praise inside of me. My heart sings hallelujah. My soul cries out your name.
thunder's loud, the rain won't stop. Fear is knocking at my door, but I choose faith over doubt. I worship through the storm, lift my voice though it hurts. You are worthy all the same. I worship through the You're the anchor of my soul. You remind me I'm not alone. So I won't let go. I'll worship through the storm, lift my voice though it hurts. You are worthy all the same. I'll worship through the tries to speak louder than truth, but I remember who I belong to. In the middle of my pain, I whisper your name. When I call your name, Jesus, Jesus, chains are broken, walls fall down, hope rises.
darkness has to flee when I call your name. When I call your name, Jesus, Jesus. Chains are broken, walls fall down, hope rises, faith awakens. When I call your name, Jesus, chains are broken, walls fall down, hope rises, faith awakens. When I call your name. Oh, yeah. You are God. I didn't plan on being in this place. The pain feels louder than my faith, but I remember what you said. You are God. Even here you are God. Even now you're still in control. Though I don't understand it all, even here you are God. I never lost a single fight. You've always turned my wrong to right. So I will trust you